My name is Qiongyang Chen, and I'm an early-stage researcher at MUMMERING ITN. I got my bachelor's and master's degree in material science and engineering. During my master's study, I focused on using electron microscopy to study some carbon nanomaterials, such as carbon dots, carbon catalysts. For my PhD, I wanted to study some new technologies in electron microscopy field. MUMMERING ITN provided me such a project. The subject of the project is novel developments in high-resolution TM tomography as a standard 3D imaging technique in material science research. Electron tomography enables to visualize the 3D structure and the composition of materials in high resolution, even at atomic scale. But achieving an accurate reconstruction is challenging. The main problem is the degradation of the sample reduced by the electron beam damage. My project aims to overcome the limitations by speeding up the acquisition procedure so that the overall electron dose is minimized. In this case, I have a secondment with Dance Solutions on using their in-situ heating system to study the dynamic behaviors of gold-silver nanoparticles, and further developed a method for temperature estimation based on faster Hardy-scan tomography.
At Dent Solutions, we value very much industrial secondments. We endorse them all the time because we believe that not only will give ESRs the possibility to keep strengthening their technical core, but it will also give them the opportunity to gain a new perspective, to make new connections, which will only help them to further succeed in their professional career. Now, for us as an industrial company, it also represents a low-risk opportunity because it gives us the opportunity to host a talented student that can help us in that ongoing pursuit to speed the level of innovation that we could already have. Now, in that sense, and particularly in this case, we had the pleasure of hosting Qiongyang, who came to do all sorts of experiments that helped us in addressing and identifying new methodologies that could be of use to improve our temperature accuracy. Together with some MEMS engineers and with the supervision of our application scientists, Qiongyang performed all sorts of experiments using our in-situ wildfire system in order to address the homogeneity and the temperature accuracy of our optimized MEMS device, our newest development, so that with that we could have more tools and more possibilities to scientifically corroborate and demonstrate that the claims that we have as a company are valid in the case of in-situ heating and the accuracy that is related thereby.
Another method is the simultaneous acquiring complementary information. It will also provide information beyond the 3D geometrical structure and enables to mitigate the degradation problem since more information can be obtained with the same dose. For example, simultaneous acquisition of HA-ADX scan series with different cameras to reconstruct both morphology and effects, combining EOS or EDX to achieve a quantified reconstruction. Here I will have a secondment with some feature on comparison of two different detectors, Super X and Ultra X, and combining diffraction tomography to achieve an accurate reconstruction of the average structure, local description of effects or strengths. Nanomegas plays an important role during the secondment.
Everyone, my name is Dr. Alejandro Gomez Perez. I work in Nanomegas as a former postdoc and now as application specialist and researcher, department research and development department. Qiongyang was collaborating with us. We are collaborating in the MUMMERING project within a frame that will teach him some of our expertises, which in this case includes two main aspects. One is the phase and orientation mapping production, let's say from the data collection to the actual map final product. And on the other hand, diffraction tomography with structural solution as the final goal. And we're very happy with the evolution of Qiongyang. I was very surprised how quickly he got the information. Even in the case of crystallography, especially for the structure solution, when he started, he didn't have a proper background, let's say, on crystallography, and after a few months, he started to get it all. Studied the literature that we recommend. So as a student, we were very happy with him. But also from our own end, we strength of relationships with EMAT laboratory, which is one of the global leaders on groups in electron microscopy. And of course, we get some benefits to expand a bit of knowledge on image tomography, and even have some networking with some other participants in the project. We're trying to work on it also. So I guess it has been an extraordinarily good relationship.
Finally, I think that MUMMERING ITN not only gives a good training on obtaining knowledge and skills in our expertise, but also provides a unique opportunity to experience both in academic and industry environment which helps to make a better plan and right decision for future career. Thank you.